Hi everyone, welcome to today's session. I'm Kanika Kucheria from Techcanvass, and today we will talk on the term Codeless Selenium. Techcanvass is a renowned training institute. It offers classroom training as well as online courses on test automation and business analysis. Let's look at today's agenda. We will first understand the term Codeless Selenium. What does it offer, which makes it a buzzword in market these days? Then we will compare Codeless Selenium to Selenium automation. Scenarios where we should pick Codeless Selenium. Then we will see its advantages and the popular tools that provide Codeless Selenium. Last, we will see its limitations and then we'll summarize our today's topic. So let's kickstart. Codeless Selenium refers to automation testing where we do not need to do any coding. Yes, this is very much true and present in market. Now, teams can just focus on business workflows rather than investing huge time in creating test automation scripts. Let's dive deep to learn more about Codeless Selenium. Recently, this is grabbing a lot of attention in the market. Codeless Selenium empowers even the manual testers or people who lack in Selenium or any other automation programming skills. They can do automation testing for their application using Codeless Selenium. These tools are driven by AI and ML and provide easy interface to the users. Current market situation, business has lot of pressure to deliver fast and quality services. So in short delivery cycles, sometimes automation testing becomes a bottleneck. In such scenarios, Codeless Selenium helps in providing fast automation testing solutions. Now let's see what Codeless Selenium has to offer. The key feature is that in Codeless, users do not need to write Selenium code for any automation testing. There are drag and drop features and a good GUI where teams just need to define their business workflows. Thus, it saves a lot of time and effort. Another good aspect is that they all are AI driven. So they have self-healing capabilities. Now, we are in a good position to compare Codeless Selenium and Selenium automation. Selenium automation has no doubt a big presence in the market today. But companies where teams lack good Selenium scripting skills, their Codeless Selenium is very useful. Another major difference is that Codeless Selenium are powered by AI. So they have self-healing capabilities. They can learn the DOM structure of the application. So even if the developer makes any changes in the web elements, Selenium scripts break, but Codeless Selenium will not break. They can heal by themselves. The time to author is faster in Codeless Selenium. The next topic is when to pick Codeless Selenium. When teams are having a hard time to meet their delivery timelines with their testing automation practices, then Codeless Selenium is a good option. It is also a good option if company wants to transition their people to automation who lack in coding skills but have a good experience about their business workflows. So it is quite smooth and win-win situation for both. Scenarios where application suffers stability issues due to constant change in UI and thus making the test pack brittle, their Codeless Selenium is also very useful. Now let's have a glimpse of its advantages. Unlike Selenium, Codeless Selenium do not require coding skills. So all the team members can collaboratively work on it. It gives better test coverage. And as we have seen earlier, it accelerates the delivery cycle. It makes the CI pipeline quite stable because unlike Selenium, the automation is not brittle. Lastly, it is a cost-effective solution because we save a lot of time and effort in the test script creation. These are the popular tools for Codeless Selenium. They are Perfecto, Testcraft, Testkim, Testing Wiz, Applitools, Rapids, and there are a lot more other than these as well. Codeless Selenium has certain limitations. Let's talk about this. There are three key aspects of test automation: authoring, execution, and maintenance. Currently available tools in the market excel either in one or two aspects only. Most of the Codeless Selenium tools have data learning algorithms running in background. So they need to have lot of users to become smarter day by day. And this might be a time-consuming task. There can be a learning curve for the people in having a hands-on on the Codeless Selenium tool. A key factor is also cost. All the current Codeless Selenium tools are paid. So if you're looking for open source and free options, then Selenium automation is certainly your pick. Now, let's summarize our learning for the team. When test automation is becoming your bottleneck, Codeless Selenium can help you there. It fits perfectly in Agile and CI/CD practices. It provides quite quick and stable solution without investing time on coding the test scripts. But you should gradually move towards Codeless Selenium. There are some aspects where Selenium automation is still a better solution. So combination of both would be a great choice. With AI and ML evolving day by day, we are on the verge of getting better solution of Codeless Selenium. So this was all about the topic today. Thanks for watching. Keep tuned for more videos on Techcanvass. Thank you.